The abandoned kitten roamed, searching for food. It had no choice but to eat scraps to survive.
The grilled chicken smells amazing.
Hello, police! There's a thief here.
Hey, stop right now.
No way. No!
To its misfortune, the kitten was caught and arrested.
Hello, kid.
The kitten ended up locked with bullies.
Move faster. The other side is still a mess. Do it faster.
Wait, what's this? A tunnel? Aha.
Finally, the kitten managed to escape through the tunnel. But now the kitten has lost its way. Oh my gosh! Poor baby. Hi, sweetie. After enjoying the tasty fried egg Dad Cat made, the kitten cheerfully waved goodbye and headed off to school.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Suddenly, a swarm of glowing crabs scurried across the road, startling the bus driver. In a flash, the bus crashed and plunged into the water below.
Everyone, stay seated. Don't panic.
Huh?
The glowing crabs crawled onto the bus and attacked the driver. The bus transformed into a monstrous, roaring creature and began chasing the frightened kitten.
Somebody help me.
There's a giant monster. We need backup immediately.
The cat couple dances joyfully on the yacht. Suddenly, the husband cat shoves the wife cat into the sea.
Mom! Dad, what did you do?
Son, it was an accident. I didn't mean to.
No, you're lying! I saw you push her. I'll never forgive you.
Son, meet your new mother.
I don't trust her. Something feels wrong.
As soon as Father Cat left, stepmother scolded the kitten and made it do all the housework.
One day, I'll bring Mom back. I'll become strong enough to protect her.
"10 years later, the kitten is now a brave police officer. He finally found his mother in a small village and brought her home.
Huh?
Father Cat is stunned to see Mother Cat walk into the house.
I know the truth now. You pushed Mom into the sea just so you could marry her.
Son, it's not true.
Stop lying. I also know that stepmother has been cheating on you. Here's the proof.
Finally, Father Cat and Stepmother Cat faced the consequences of their actions.